How to make internet call to mobile number. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply locate the Play Store on your phone and then tap on it. Okay, and then come and then tap on the search icon and then come and then search for this app. Okay, it is called Dinton. Okay, Dinton. This is how we spell it. So simply spell it and then type it. It is going to come just like this one. Okay, so this is second number for call and then test Denton phone. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply click on install. Me, I've already installed it, so I'm going to open it for you to see. So this is how the app looks like. You can simply come and then log in if you have an account already, but if you are signing up for the first time, come and click on get started. Okay, and then over here you can simply come and then put in your actual phone number right here. If you don't want the phone number, all that you have to do is simply come down here to where we have email address and then come and tap on it, and then you can sign up with your email address. Come and then put in your name right here and then come and then put in the email address that you want to use to sign up. Okay, so let's do it. After that, all that you have to do is simply come and then tap on the continue, and then from here all that you have to do now is to verify your email address. Okay, they have sent you a link that you have to verify, so tap on OK and then go to your email and then verify it. Okay, so you have to do the verification, and after that come and then tap on activate now. So let me do the verification and let's continue. What I have to do is simply come and then tap on activate now, and then that is it. The account has been created. Okay, so I have been given the credit that I can use to call for free. Okay, so simply come here to the call button and then come and tap on the call button, and as you can see I have this free credit that I can use to call anybody for totally free. Okay, so over here you have to come and then select the internet call, the down arrow, come and then tap on it, and you can simply come and then choose the type of call that you want to make. Okay, so we have the internet call. Okay, and then we have the call back, right? But currently I'm going to use the internet call by tapping on it, and then over here you can simply come and then dial the number that you want to call, and that is it. It is as easy as that. Okay, so this is how to make your internet calls. So like the video and then see you in my next video.